Thank you. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you. Thanks. Wow, level 3 member. Thank you so much. Ano po gagawin mo dyan? Hintayin ko po yung mama ko. Sino ba to si Lianche? Taga saan ka po, Lianche? Thank you, Gold Exterminator. Magandang araw po, ma'am. Hello, Food Cares. Magandang araw. Thank you ulit, Gold Exterminator. Where are you from, Gold Exterminator? Taga-Munggia ka? Estudyante ka ba ng DDN-NHS? Ay, hello! Paano mo nalaman na meron akong YouTube? Pero wala akong maalala na estudyante ko na Lianche. Lianche? Ano ba real name mo? Are you at work or at home? No, I'm just here in the department store. I'm waiting for my mom. That's nice. Yeah. Where are you from again, Gold Exterminator? Ma'am, ayaw po kasi mapalitan name ko. Ay, bakit ay? Madali lang naman mapalitan. Pero kailangan mo mag-create ng channel kasi. Ano ba name mo? Tsaka anong grade ka na?